Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that many fitness enthusiasts are eager to explore: bulking up fast. If you're looking to increase your muscle mass and transform your physique, understanding the bulking process is crucial. Bulking isn't just about eating more, it's about strategically fueling your body to maximize muscle gain while minimizing fat. This phase is essential for anyone serious about building strength and achieving their fitness goals. In this video, we'll share practical tips and proven strategies that can help you bulk up effectively and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been lifting for a while, our insights will motivate you to take your training and nutrition to the next level. You can expect to learn about the best foods to include in your diet, effective workout routines, and how to track your progress to ensure you're on the right path. So if you're ready to pack on some serious muscle and elevate your fitness journey, stick around. Let's get started on your path to bulking up fast and achieving the body you've always wanted. When it comes to bulking up and building muscle, protein is your best friend. It plays a vital role in muscle repair and growth, making it essential for anyone looking to increase their strength and size. To maximize your gains, aim to incorporate high-protein foods into every meal. Take lean meats like chicken and fish, as well as plant-based options like legumes and beans. These foods not only provide the necessary amino acids your muscles crave, but also keep you feeling full and satisfied. As a general guideline, aim for at least 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight. This means if you weigh 70 kilograms, you should be consuming around 112 grams of protein daily. Tracking your intake can help ensure you're meeting this goal consistently. For those days when meal prep isn't feasible, consider adding protein supplements like whey or casein to your routine. They offer a convenient way to boost your protein intake without the hassle of cooking. By prioritizing protein, you'll set a solid foundation for your bulking journey, helping you achieve the muscle gains you desire. So make protein a priority and watch your progress soar. To effectively bulk up, it's essential to consume more calories than your body burns. This caloric surplus provides the energy needed for muscle growth and recovery. Tracking your daily caloric intake is a great way to ensure you're meeting your goals. Apps like MyFitnessPal can help you monitor what you eat and make adjustments as needed. When increasing your caloric intake, focus on nutrient-dense foods that pack a punch. Incorporate healthy options like nuts, avocados, and whole grains into your meals. These foods not only provide the extra calories you need, but also offer essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health. However, it's important to increase your caloric intake gradually. Sudden spikes in calories can lead to digestive discomfort and may not be sustainable in the long run. Start by adding an extra 250 to 500 calories per day and adjust based on your progress. This approach allows your body to adapt while minimizing any potential discomfort. By prioritizing a caloric surplus with the right foods, you'll create the perfect environment for muscle growth and set yourself up for success on your bulking journey. An effective strength training routine is crucial for bulking up and maximizing muscle growth. To get the most out of your workouts, focus on incorporating compound exercises into your regimen. Movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses engage multiple muscle groups, allowing you to lift heavier weights and stimulate more muscle fibers. This is key for building strength and size. When structuring your workouts, aim for 4 to 6 sets of 6 to 12 repetitions for each exercise. This rep range is ideal for promoting hypertrophy, which is the increase in muscle size. Be sure to maintain proper form throughout your sets to prevent injury and ensure you're effectively targeting the right muscles. Another essential aspect of your strength training routine is progressive overload. This means gradually increasing the weights you lift over time. By challenging your muscles with heavier loads, you'll encourage them to adapt and grow. Keep track of your lifts and aim to push your limits each week. With a solid strength training regimen that includes compound exercises, appropriate sets and reps, and progressive overload, you'll be well on your way to achieving your bulking goals. Meal timing plays a significant role in maximizing your bulking efforts, especially around your workouts. Consuming a balanced meal that includes both protein and carbohydrates 1 to 2 hours before your workout can provide your body with the necessary fuel to perform at its best. This pre-workout meal helps to enhance your energy levels and supports muscle function, allowing you to push harder during your training sessions. Equally important is your post-workout nutrition. Aim to have a meal or shake within 30 minutes of finishing your workout. This is the prime time for your muscles to absorb nutrients, and a combination of protein and carbs will help kickstart the recovery process. It replenishes glycogen stores and promotes muscle repair, setting you up for optimal growth. Additionally, maintaining regular meal intervals throughout the day is crucial for supporting muscle recovery and growth. Eating every 3 to 4 hours ensures that your body has a steady supply of nutrients, which can help prevent muscle breakdown and keep your metabolism active. By optimizing your meal timing, it will enhance your performance and recovery, making your bulking journey more effective and rewarding. Hydration is often an overlooked aspect of muscle performance, but it plays a crucial role in your bulking journey. Staying properly hydrated helps maintain optimal muscle function, supports recovery, and enhances overall athletic performance. Aim to drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water daily to ensure your body is well hydrated. This amount can vary based on your activity level, climate, and individual needs, so listen to your body and adjust accordingly. During intense workouts, you may lose significant fluids through sweat, which can lead to dehydration and negatively impact your performance. To counteract this, consider incorporating electrolyte drinks, especially during longer or more strenuous sessions. These beverages help replenish lost minerals and keep your energy levels up, allowing you to push through your workouts effectively. A simple way to monitor your hydration levels is by checking the color of your urine. Ideally, it should be a light yellow. Darker urine can indicate dehydration. By prioritizing hydration, you'll not only improve your muscle performance, but also support your overall health and recovery. So keep that water bottle handy and make hydration a key part of your bulking strategy. When it comes to bulking up and achieving your fitness goals, adequate sleep is just as important as your workouts and nutrition. Sleep is the time when your body repairs itself, builds muscle, and recovers from the stresses of training. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to ensure your body has enough time to recover and grow. This restorative process is essential for muscle development and overall health. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule can significantly improve your sleep quality. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Consistency is key, especially if you're pushing your body hard in the gym. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine can also enhance your sleep onset. Consider activities like reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Reducing screen time before bed can further improve your sleep quality by minimizing exposure to blue light. By prioritizing sleep, you'll support your recovery and muscle growth, making it an essential component of your bulking strategy. When bulking up, it's essential to include healthy fats in your diet, as they provide numerous benefits that support muscle growth and overall health. Healthy fats, such as those found in olive oil, avocados, and fatty fish, are not only delicious but also packed with essential fatty acids that your body needs for optimal function. These fats play a crucial role in hormone production, including testosterone, which is vital for muscle development. Aim for healthy fats to make up about 20 to 35% of your total daily calories. This range ensures you're getting enough energy while still focusing on nutrient-dense foods. Incorporating healthy fats into your meals can also enhance calorie density, making it easier to achieve your caloric surplus without feeling overly full. For example, drizzling olive oil on salads or adding avocado to your sandwiches can significantly boost the calorie content of your meals. Additionally, healthy fats can help improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K, which are important for overall health and recovery. By incorporating healthy fats into your bulking diet, you'll not only support muscle growth, but also promote better overall well-being. Tracking your progress is a vital component of any successful bulking journey. By monitoring your workouts and nutrition, you can gain valuable insights into what's working and what needs adjustment. One effective way to do this is by keeping a workout journal. Document your exercises, the weight you lift, and the number of sets and reps completed. This not only helps you stay organized, but also allows you to see how far you've come over time. If you're feeling extra generous and want to support our channel, consider sending a super thanks by clicking on button right below this video or the three dots. It looks like a heart within a dollar sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your contribution helps us to keep bringing you valuable content and fuels our passion for creating. We're grateful for your support and can't wait to see your super thanks messages. In addition to logging your workouts, taking regular body measurements and photos can provide a visual representation of your progress. Measure key areas like your chest, arms, waist, and legs, and take photos every few weeks. This will help you see changes that may not be immediately noticeable in the mirror, keeping you motivated and focused on your goals. As you track your progress, be open to adjusting your diet and training based on your assessments. If you're not seeing the gains you desire, consider tweaking your caloric intake or changing your workout routine. By actively monitoring your bulking journey, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions that lead to success and help you achieve the physique you're aiming for. In this video, we've covered essential tips for bulking up effectively and efficiently. We started by emphasizing the importance of protein intake, highlighting how it supports muscle repair and growth. Remember, aiming for at least 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight is crucial for maximizing your gains. We'd also discussed the necessity of maintaining a caloric surplus, ensuring you consume more calories than you burn to fuel your muscle growth. Strength training is another key component we explored, focusing on compound exercises and the importance of progressive overload to stimulate muscle development. Additionally, we touched on optimizing meal timing, staying hydrated, getting adequate sleep, incorporating healthy fats, and tracking your progress to ensure you stay on the right path. By implementing these tips into your routine, you'll set yourself up for successful bulking and achieve the physique you desire. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who are also on their fitness journey. Together, let's build a supportive community focused on achieving our fitness goals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.